silver. And while we're dyeing your hair, we're also going to be answering random questions since we have the time and it's going to take a little time to process. The quarantine has really got to us. I think we're officially bored.
Going nuts.
This is why we have resulted to dyeing hair. Are we going to dye your beard too?
Everything.
We're also dyeing his beard.
My mustache. My whiskers.
His whiskers. Have you ever dyed your hair before?
No, this is my first time. Actually, no. In Masters, remember when Jay dyed his hair? I dyed mine like red. Is that thing that I burnt my hair?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, probably. Oh, it says gently shake. I don't think that was very gently.
I make this quick.
I have my brush so I can pretend I'm actually what I'm doing.
What is your least favorite food?
Cactus. What's it called?
The
Dizzy.
nopal.
I don't know what it is.
Nopal.
Nopales. I don't like nopales.
Least favorite food is seafood.
Oh yeah.
Seafood is disgusting. What is your least favorite drink?
Oh, no.
For me, it's water.
Yeah, you don't drink water. For me, it's vitamin water, like flavored water. I only like certain some of them. I don't. What's your least favorite drink?
Water.
Oh,
I could drink coffee.
can't say I could drink coffee. You live off coffee.
Am I good at any sport? Do I have a favorite sport team?
Your favorite sport is soccer, and your favorite team is America.
America, let's go.
The thing with you though that used to annoy me when we were in Masters was that you were good at everything. Good at every sport that we played. When we were doing capture the flag or baseball or whatever, you were just naturally good at it.
I mean,
I think it's because you're competitive.
are you good at sports?
No.
Do you even like sports?
Okay, back in the day I used to like weightlifting and I think that's a sport. I was in volleyball in 8th grade or 6th grade.
You were in volleyball?
I was like in 6th grade I think.
Am I good in video games?
I don't know if you're good at them, but you play them.
Well, you suck at it.
You suck at it. I don't play video games, so I don't know.
I don't think I'm good.
I think you're okay.
I'm a beast, what you talking about? Is there any unique talent that I possess?
To be like you talk to anyone, is that a talent? Play instruments. I don't really play the bass anymore, but you used to. Why do I feel like I don't know you anymore?
You don't. You spend more time with Rihanna than with me.
Yeah, it's just cute.
You possess any?
Do I possess any hidden talent there?
I think singing. You're just afraid of singing.
I'm afraid of actually doing it.
Well, I think you do possess a demon. People know that you sing. But like, do other people know you sing? No. So I think that's a hidden talent. If you don't know it.
Oh no. I'm probably not gonna know it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Do I have a best friend?
Me, I'm your best friend.
No, it's Jesus Christ! You didn't know this.
I think you have your brother as your best friend, but you have other good friends.
It's supposed to be itchy.
I mean, it's not, it's part of the process yet. Itching?
Itchy.
Itching?
You have a best friend? Yes, you do.
Or my best friend?
Several.
No, who's my best
Your
friend?
best friend? Jesus Christ.
Yes. No, I think my sister would be considered my best friend.
Squad petty.
Squad petty or petty squad?
Your squad petty. Fellow YouTuber Amy, follow her.
Link will be in the description below.
Aaliyah. Of course, me. Amy. Me.
Yeah. You already said Amy.
Me. Frida. Me. Me.
Yes, you're my best friend.
Who's my favorite music artist?
I think you have a favorite. You like music a lot and you like all kinds of different music. You do like mute math.
Guns N' Roses?
Oh, you are an old school person.
I don't think you have like a set.
I mostly listen to Christian music. I like Selena. Anything for Selena.
Shoe size do I wear?
10.
Is correct.
What size do I wear?
9.
Yes. put this on. What? Now that I put this on, you can scratch it.
What does this do anyway?
It makes you look pretty. When's my birthday?
December 1st, 1995. My turn. How old am I? Quick!
27. When's our dating anniversary?
March 17th is my mom's birthday.
January 26th.
What's my game room tag?
So you're the great 15th.
Tell me PS4.
Rita's birthday.
Easy. December 27th. What energy drink do I like the most? Monster, Rockstar, or Red Bull?
Rockstar. When was the first time we actually met in person?
It was in Masters. Oh. Youth convention. It was at a youth convention in St. Louis. No!
What?
I saw you in St. Louis. I didn't talk to you.
Alright guys, his hair is obviously not going to be super blonde because it was really dark to start with, and obviously it's box hair dye. We know box hair dye is not good and it usually doesn't work, but this will do for now.
So I'm not gonna get my metallic?
I mean, we can try it, it's just not light enough, I don't think yet. I know. Wash it out and then we'll see.
Amazing people. Great people. Great. Amazing.
Here is our result after bleaching. It is now 9 o'clock at night. Uriel is a ginger. I missed the spot. I actually feel like it burnt your skin. What we're gonna do next is apply the bleach again. We might burn his hair off. It might fall off. But I missed a spot right here and it looks black. And his beard didn't take right here. Uriel is willing to risk it, right?
Risk it for the biscuit. Let's go!
I think that means something sexual. I'm into the ginger look. I like
If
it.
it falls off. We're in a quarantine. It's gonna grow.
He's
No
gonna
one's
shave his
gonna
head.
know.
Won't be
No
fine.
one's gonna know. It's all good. It's already burning. Oh my goodness, it's burning. Is it because my pores are open?
Is it really burning?
Yeah.
1 to 10.
Just solid.
Ooh. Does it hurt or just itchy or what?
It like, there's acid in my head. Gosh, it burns!
He's gonna leave that round of bleach for less time so it doesn't burn his poor head. Alright guys, we're back. It's 10:45. We cooked, we ate, and we have ginger hair. We have no idea how this is gonna turn out because it's supposed to be way blonder than this. But if it doesn't work out, we're leaving it because we're in quarantine anyway, or we can cut it.
Shave it off.
Or I also have blue dye, purple dye, pink dye, and green dye.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Isn't that gonna burn my scalp?
No.
Why is it burning?
It is?
Yeah.
I think it's maybe because your scalp is cold. How?
I think it's just sunset.
Aww, honey.
Maybe that's why it burned. Oh my god.
Is it hurting?
It's burning. It made me burning so bad.
Ah, it's because you're burnt right here. You're burnt right here. Babe, I don't want to do this anymore.
Why?
I don't want to hurt you. Your head's really burnt. Alright guys, this is where we're at. Well, it's a darker gray. So we're gonna wash it out and then we can record tomorrow in the daytime because it's ready. 11:33.
It's been the process. My scalp has like 5th degree burn.
Alright guys, it is the next morning. We still have ginger hair and a ginger beard. And we burned, wait.
My scalp.
We burned his head a little bit.
Do not, I repeat, do not buy this product.
It didn't at all dye his hair. It looked really promising. His hair was gray, silver, really nice, exactly what we wanted. And then he washed it out. And we're back to blonde. So we don't know what happened.
Blonde, no. Orange.
Orange.
Orange. Orange.
He has some burning right in here-ish. Let me see if I can focus it. Hold on. There we go. Some burning, a little bit up here. And then he had a couple blisters. Hold on. A couple blisters in here.
It's a complete fail.
And it failed. So, we have a couple options. We could dye your hair blue. We could dye your hair pink or purple or black. Or you could cut it.
What if we mix blue and black?
Okay, we could do it a darker blue. Like a really dark blue. Or we could cut it. I have a feeling our children might have the opportunity to look like this, dark and ginger.
Can you even mix those colors?
I have the Arctic Fox colors. Alright, next step, dye his hair blue. Because this was a fail.
With black.
Well, yeah, it's not gonna look exactly like mine. Okay, we're gonna eat breakfast and then get back to it. So we're dyeing it blue instead because the silver didn't work out. This is the blue we're going for. It's darker than my blue. Ooh, this is pretty.
Hey! I look dope, yo.
Now we wait 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
You kind of look like a chimpanzee.
My hands. This was my face. I came out and I looked like Shrek, yo.
Alright guys, well, now we both have blue hair. That's the end of this video because it's just going downhill.
Look at this.
Your beard looks more full though.
Look at my hands.
So, this is gonna be the end because we don't really know how to go from here. Do you still love me?
One more try.
I love you! Your shirt matches your hair. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this epic fail of a video. I hope that you enjoyed watching me ruin my husband's hair. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe. I put out a video every Wednesday, so please comment down below what was your favorite part of this video, or if you've ever dyed your hair blue. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay inside, guys.